you guys. I broke it. Look. Oh my God, you guys. I broke off the cherries. Look, the tag. I snapped this. Oh my goodness. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of an item that I purchased online from coachoutlet.com. So I have it in this package right here. So let me go ahead and open it because it's going to be a really quick short video. When I did my last unboxings, I did share with you all that I would eventually pick up a purse from this last collection drop, and so I finally bit the bullet and just bought something. I was eyeing this bag at first. I said no, and then they went out of stock, and then lo and behold they came back in stock. I said if it comes back in stock I'll buy one, and I think it was the fear of missing out. It was definitely like a FOMO type of situation that happened. Got the purse in this little packaging right here. Probably kind of see the silhouette of that. Let's go ahead and take her out so you guys can see what I got. You guys, I'm so excited about this. I was gonna let her slip away, and then I knew that if I continued to see this bag, or if I didn't see this bag, if I just saw this bag in other people's videos, I would regret not getting this. And so look. Look guys, I did it. I am so happy to have this bag, you guys. You all know I have the other heart bag. It's right, that's not it. It's somewhere over here. Okay, the other heart bag sitting there. It's the pink and the red one. While not that bad, just not my favorite combination of how pink and red is done. I again like it like this. It's my little Eva little crossbody with the, got the little cherry little coin purse on there. Just prefer something more like that. So this is this little hang tag. I guess this is the chain that goes in the bag. Not sure why it's hanging outside of the bag. Okay, so somebody clearly got this and I guess stuck it back in there. Didn't want it. I'm not really sure. Crossbody chain that comes with the bag is still attached. And the pocket. Now initially, Coach does have another heart bag in the light khaki print without the cherries and different things like that. They do have another that has the white trim as well. The zipper is not pink. I forget. I think it's also like a light khaki color. I was gonna get that one, but then I knew I didn't want, I don't know, something about the white. I just didn't want a plain bag, even though I feel like it's more versatile, and the pink and green kind of limits me to pink and green outfits, or definitely something that will coordinate with this. And if you're like me, I don't have to coordinate, but I do wear a lot of pink and green, obviously my sorority. So I tend to wear these colors quite a few times during the week. And so I just figured, you know what, let me get the heart bag that matches my heart, okay? So let's take out the stuffing. There's a pocket right there. And you all know I do have a little wallet to match this. So I'm happy that I do have a piece that I can coordinate with this. And I have lots of other pink items that can go with this. This zipper is really tight. Back pocket. It's stuffed. Let's get that out of there. Brown. You all have seen the videos of this. It's brown on the inside. And I have the chain hitting the tripod. So beautiful, you guys. I love this so much. Alright, you guys. So let's pull this off and attach the strap, and let me give you like a body shot of how this looks on my body. guys, I broke it. No. No. Oh my God, you guys. This is not being my day. And now I just dropped a little cherries. You guys, I broke it. Look. Oh my God, you guys, I broke off the cherries. Look, the tag. I snapped this. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take this to Coach tomorrow and see if they can fix it or give me a new, because it's really just this broke. And even though I have lots of these little chains, you know, I'm gonna go see if they can give me another to connect it to this bag. I don't even know where it was even connected at. Oh my God. This is not working out to be the best unboxing, but let's go ahead and just move along. Okay, it is what it is. I done ripped that off. We broke that. Strap. Let's put the strap on here. Now I'm afraid to touch anything else on this bag, you guys, because I have already haven't even had the bag a whole 15 minutes and I've broken it. Okay. I'm not going to adjust this strap just yet. I'm actually going to leave it the way it is and then kind of give you guys a body shot of how this looks, because the height is actually like really great for my height. Let me show you all. Alright, you guys, so this is really good for my height. I'm only 5'3". It hits me right at the right spot because of the shape of the purse. You know, it's not like a traditional crossbody bag. It just has that heart shape, but ideally this is right for my height, so I could leave it like this and wear this bag. Here you guys go. And that's my daughter. She's having a play date right now with her friend. I love that it has this handle on here so I can carry this as a top handle. Like that. So pretty. So pretty. Another up close shot of the cherries heart bag. So pretty, you guys. Back pocket, interior pocket. This bag is really pretty. I am glad that I did get this, and so I do have this to match. This does fit inside there really nicely, and I have my phone here in my back pocket. Phone fits in there really nicely. I still have the XS in case you're wondering what size phone I have, so that's why it fits in there. I don't think those larger phones fit in the heart bag here. Okay, so still rocking with the XS right now. It works perfectly fine. No need to upgrade. So there she is. All right, there she is. And the other pieces from the cherry collection that I do have right here. The Eva crossbody. I still have the camera bag from this collection. Not exactly sure if I'm going to return that or get something else that's a camera bag. Still have the sunglasses from the collection. You saw the card case that I stuck in here. And then I do have the laptop case behind my gallery tote on my shelf. Loving this collection. So glad that I managed to get one of these before they officially sold out. But there she is for my unboxing. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions about any of these items in this video, definitely leave it down below. If you grabbed a bunch of pieces from this collection, let me know how you are loving them. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alrighty, bye.